So 2 months ago, I planted garlic, but I treated each side completely different. So one side I disinfected first, and then the other side I soaked in a fertilizer first. So today we're checking in and we're gonna see if we can spot the differences. Well, garlic is expensive, and in hot climates, it doesn't always grow the way that you expect. A lot of gardeners talk about soaking garlic, but nobody really talks about the order of how you treat it. So I decided to test, disinfect and soak in fish emulsion, or soak in fish emulsion and then disinfect. So this is the side that I planted that I disinfected first to kill off the possible fungus, and then I soaked it in a fish emulsion before I planted it. And then this side was soaked in a fish emulsion first to wake the cloves and then disinfected before planting. And both sides were planted on the same day with the same soil and the same amounts of water and sunlight. So here's what we're seeing so far. What I actually noticed from these is that they were a lot more yellow and smaller in size compared to the other batch over on the other side. So next what I'm going to do is actually pull up a garlic from each of the batches to see if maybe we can get a sneak peek, if you will, of what's been happening beneath the soil. So remember, these are not finished bulbs. This is just a little sneak peek of what's been happening underground. All right, so I am picking one of these garlics out from my fertilize first and then disinfect batch. And I'm just going to go with this one here. I don't think I'll be able to go back from this. But this is what it's looking like. Not bad. It's actually grown some pretty good roots there. I really should have used a shovel, but okay. And this one definitely doesn't look as big of a root system, but I don't know if you can see that at all. Okay, so I have put our two bulbs side by side, and as you can see, I mean, they are pretty comparable. I mean, it's hard to really spot many differences here, but I will say from a clove standpoint, they look pretty close to the same. As far as the root structures go, I would say the roots are actually pretty comparable as well. This one looks slightly smaller. This is our disinfect and then soak. But here's the twist. Early growth does not always mean bigger garlic. The real test is underground, at harvest. And that's when we'll find out which method actually grows bigger bulbs. Well, honestly, I don't know which side will win yet, but once it's time to harvest these, I'll be comparing bulb size, clove count, weight, and storage quality. So be sure to check back for the final result. Well, if you're growing on a budget, a busy schedule, or just trying to grow real food at home, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe and grow with us. I hope I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!